If you're a manga fan, you really have to check out Spy Family. This is volume 1. Such a great manga. If you've seen the anime, you may have, because it really made it very popular. The anime follows the manga basically exactly how it is. So if you've seen it, you'll know what's going on. But if you haven't, let's say you never heard of it or anything, basically it is a story of a small family, a husband, a wife, and a daughter, but they're not really family, so it's all like a charade. It's they're not really husband, wife, and that's not their daughter. But he's a spy, she's an assassin, and she's a telepath. So then they meet up. They're both on different missions, and then they basically have to team up together, and then they just pretend to be married. And then on his mission, his mission is to find a wife that he needs to complete his mission. Long story short, and then he meets up with her, and then they make it work. She goes along with it, and then they need it to be more real. So then they adopt her basically as like their fake daughter. So, but it's super cool because she's a telepath. She can read their minds. They both of them don't know. She doesn't know he's a spy. He doesn't know she's an assassin. So they pretend that it's like they're like a family, but they don't know what's really going on, like in their real jobs. And then the daughter, she can read all their minds, so she knows exactly what's going on. So it's super funny. It's like a comedy action, and it has a very good family vibe to it. So I really like it because it's very nice. It's makes you feel like like they're a family, and they start to grow and learn what that means, even though it's like it's fake, but then they want it to be real. So it's very interesting. There's a little bit of a tension there, but it's very comedic, and then you have to see how he tries to do his missions and all of that. So it's great. I don't want to spoil too much, but definitely check it out. The artwork is really well done. They did a great job. It'll make you keep wanting to read more and more because it's just really good. So definitely check it out and hope you enjoy it.